Thangkhiew Trap National Liberation Council (HNLC) representative to the ongoing peace parleys with the government and president of the Thangkhiew Trap National Youth Front HNYF Saron Kebla on Sunday said that the untimely demise of former General Secretary of the outfit Chirestafil Thangkhiew had delayed and has also created a problem for the peace process. Blah said that the leaders of the HNLC who are here for the peace talks made it a point to be present in person to pay their respect to the ex-leader. When asked, Blah said that the death of its former General Secretary 2 years ago is under the scrutiny of the Meghalaya High Court and he will not make any comment because it is a matter under the purview of the court.
Happened in Mawai 2 years ago is under the scrutiny of the High Court of Meghalaya. So I will not make any comment regarding the satisfaction or not satisfaction of it because it is a matter under the purview of the court and the court is scrutinizing the entire report. So we will have to wait for the court report and to express our satisfaction or dissatisfaction.